Hey guys, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to unblock someone on WeChat. It's pretty simple, so let's jump right in. First, open WeChat on your mobile device. Tap on Me at the bottom right of your screen. Tap on Settings. Under Privacy, select Friends Permissions. Select Block List. Tap on the profile of the user that you want to unblock. Tap on the three horizontal dots at the top right of your screen. Disable the block button. And that's it. This is how you unblock someone on WeChat. Thank you for watching Tech My Life. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our upcoming videos.